In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Volvo XC70 key fob. You can do this yourself at home. It's pretty easy to do. The only things that you'll need are a CR2032 battery, which you can get online. And if you're interested in picking one of those up, go check out the first link down in the description there, which will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these for a great price. And the other thing you'll need is a Torx style screwdriver. As you can see on the back here, you have this star-shaped screw, so we will need a star-shaped or Torx screwdriver. This is a size T8, I believe. And if you don't have something like this, you can check down in the description. There will also be a link to pick up a screwdriver like this as well. The first step here is just to remove this screw. So go ahead and twist that out. Once that's open, you can start prying this open. And if you look up on the top, there are these two tabs. So you don't want to just open this like a book. You could snap those tabs off. So start to pry and then push up and wiggle it off those tabs. And now we're inside. Can use this screwdriver just to help you a little bit to come in on the side of the battery where there is this opening in the plastic and just kind of pry the battery up and out. And when you're putting in your new CR2032, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing down. And you'll just snap that into place, positive side down. You can put it back together now. So again, be mindful of these tabs. What we want to do is settle this in on the tabs first, and then kind of push it down and put our screw back in there. So just give it a twist, and that is all it takes. Got a new battery in there. You should be good to go with that battery for a really long time. So I hope this helped you out. If you liked the video, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another key fob, you can come back here and we'll have you covered with a tutorial like this one.